Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best truck backup cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AMTIFO wireless backup camera. This compact and easy-to-install system features a 5-inch IPS display and 1080p resolution, providing crisp and clear visuals for safe maneuvering. Installation is a breeze. Just connect the monitor to the cigarette lighter charger and the rear camera to your reverse lights. Wireless syncing is fast and seamless, making this an ideal option for quick setups. The design of the AMTIFO system stands out for its flexibility and durability. The display mount uses advanced rubber materials for secure attachment to dashboards or windshields. The touch buttons are responsive and intuitive, replacing traditional physical keys for a modern feel. With an IP69 waterproof rating and wide temperature tolerance, this camera is built to handle extreme weather conditions, making it perfect for long-haul drivers and outdoor enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the AMTIFO delivers stable signal transmission with strong anti-interference capabilities, ensuring smooth visuals without frame drops or delays. Its dual-channel feature allows for the addition of a second camera, making it versatile for larger vehicles like SUVs, pickups, and campers. However, the small screen size may feel limiting for users who prefer larger displays, and the lack of advanced night vision features is a minor drawback. Overall, this is a reliable and affordable option for drivers seeking ease of use and functionality on a budget. At number 4, we have the Junha's car rear view camera. This system comes with a compact 4.3-inch IPS monitor and is wired for maximum signal stability. The camera boasts a 1080p resolution and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, making blind spots a thing of the past. Setup is straightforward. Connect the camera to the monitor via the included 4-pin video cable and power it through the cigarette lighter or USB port. The design is simple yet effective, with the 4.3-inch display offering a clear view of your surroundings. The adjustable parking grid lines allow for customization based on your vehicle size and parking habits, and the system includes front-rear camera switching for added versatility. This feature makes it a great option for drivers who want a dual-purpose camera system. While the performance is dependable, the smaller screen size may feel restrictive for some users. Additionally, this system is wired, which can be a drawback for those seeking the convenience of wireless setups. Despite these limitations, the Junha's shines in its affordability and reliability, especially for smaller vehicles like sedans and SUVs. It's an excellent choice for drivers seeking a straightforward and effective backup camera without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Pemicom P15 magnetic solar wireless backup camera. This cutting-edge system features a 7-inch HD LCD monitor and a solar-powered camera with a rechargeable 15,000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Installation is incredibly quick. Just attach the magnetic base to your vehicle and mount the monitor using the suction cup. The magnets are encased in scratch-proof rubber, ensuring your vehicle's paint remains unharmed. The design of the Pemicom P15 is robust and durable. The waterproof camera is built to withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor use and long-distance travel. The 170-degree wide-angle lens offers excellent coverage, while the dual-channel video system permits the addition of a second camera for enhanced visibility. In terms of performance, the Pemicom P15 excels with its powerful digital signal receiver and frequency hopping technology, providing stable visuals with minimal interference. The battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 24 hours on a full charge. However, the system's premium features come at a higher price point, making it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Despite this, the Pemicom P15 is a top-tier option for drivers who prioritize durability, advanced features, and ease of use. At number 2, we have the DVK&M AP72 magnetic solar wireless backup camera. This system combines convenience with high performance, featuring a 7-inch IPS monitor and dual solar-powered cameras for comprehensive coverage. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Attach the cameras using the magnetic base and plug the monitor into your vehicle's power source. The cameras are IP69 waterproof and equipped with infrared night vision for excellent visibility in low-light conditions. The design is user-friendly, with durable materials ensuring longevity even in harsh environments. The built-in DVR system offers loop recording, automatically saving crucial footage in the event of an accident. With a transmission range of up to 328 feet, this camera system is perfect for larger vehicles like trailers, RVs, and trucks. Performance-wise, the DVK&M AP72 delivers stable and clear visuals thanks to its advanced signal booster and digital receiver. The included 32GB SD card adds value, allowing drivers to record and review footage as needed. However, the system's heavier weight might be a consideration for some users. Despite this, the DVK&M AP72 is an outstanding option for those looking for a reliable, versatile backup camera system with advanced recording capabilities. Finally, at number 1, we have the InClake Car Backup Camera. This system stands out for its affordability, versatility, and performance. Featuring a 1080p Ultra HD image sensor and 12 LED lights for superior night vision, this camera is designed to eliminate blind spots and provide clear visuals in any lighting condition. Its adjustable 140 degrees wide viewing angle ensures optimal coverage, making it ideal for universal use across cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. The design is compact and flexible, with multiple mounting options, including license plate frame, surface, or bracket installation. The IP68 waterproof rating means it can withstand heavy rain and car washes without compromising performance. At just 9.6 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable, ensuring long-term reliability. Performance-wise, the InClake delivers consistent and accurate visuals with a user-friendly installation process that suits most 12 volts to 24-volt vehicles. While it lacks advanced features like solar charging or built-in DVR, its simplicity and affordability make it a standout option for budget-conscious drivers. Overall, the InClake is the best choice for anyone looking for a no-frills, reliable backup camera that gets the job done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.